He had a grocery store, a supermarket up in Stepside, and he worked like 9 to 9, 7 days a week. So that's as much work ethic as you could give anybody, you know what I mean? And we're all the same. We're all good goers, you know. My brothers and sisters, we're all busy. We're always the same, and we enjoy our work. You know what I mean? I never get out of bed and think, oh no, here I go. Never. I'm always delighted to go to work. I'm thankful to have a job. I'm one of the lucky ones. I just took chances and they all worked, and then hard work made it pay off, you know. But I mean, I go to college just now. I go to Galbraith Street here in town, Dublin College of Catering now, here in town, and I go to Shannon and I go to Galway, and I talk to the students and I tell them all, like they're all looking at me, and I'm telling them, listen, boys and girls, at 24 years of age I was GM, and at 26 I bought it. So there is absolutely no reason why any one of you can't do the same. They all think I'm mad, but I'm not. And in fact, it's much easier nowadays because finance and backing is much easier to find, perhaps now, than it was in my day. Because all the banks in Ireland said to me, go away, you're too young, and it's too big a deal when I was looking for money. And I had to borrow it in Switzerland originally, all right? Because there was no way, no bank would give me the money. So in that sense, I was very lucky that I was able to step up. And people say, no, were you not terrified? Well, I said I had nothing before, so if I had nothing afterwards, wasn't I just the same? So that's the way I looked at life always, you know. And I wasn't keen on boats or private jets or anything. That was never in my life. I couldn't care less, you know.